How to redeem EA Sports FC 24 beta code. Step 1, you just have to go to any web browser and then type EA Sports. This is what it looks like. But before doing this, you have to make sure that you're logged in to your account. Step 2, go to profile and then kindly look for account settings. Tap this one. Step 3, under account settings, you just have to scroll down and look for redeem product code. That is below payment methods. Tap this one. Now step 4, go to product code and then kindly type the code that you have redeemed. So for example, product code and then number. Step 5, once you're done, all you have to do is to simply click next. And that's it. Now, step 6, you can scroll down here and look for where to find your code. So there are instructions here and tips. For example, you can check your confirmation email to find your product code and then check your boxer manual to find your product code. As easy as that. And that's how you redeem EA Sports FC24 beta code. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.